For decades, luxury cars meant a handful of German brands, icons of status and engineering, but by 2026 the landscape is transforming. The electric revolution is redrawing the luxury map. Now, ambitious Chinese startups, revitalized European legends, and bold American newcomers are all vying for the top spot. They're not just electrifying old models, they're reinventing luxury with radical design, tech-laden interiors, and next-gen features. In this video, we'll spotlight the most intriguing new entrants and the trends redefining what luxury means, especially for tech-hungry regions like the Middle East and North Africa. Let's dive in. Meet Hongqi and their e-Vision concept, a global statement from China's historic luxury brand. The headline, a 120 kWh solid-state battery promising 680 kilometers of range and ultra-fast charging. But the real story is inside. Hongqi's silk weave interior fuses handcrafted materials and traditional Chinese artistry for a warm, inviting, and culturally rich cabin. Forget cold minimalism. This is tactile, intricate, and deeply personal. The e-Vision even features an AI-driven fragrance system that adapts scents to your mood or the time of day. It's not just a gimmick, it's part of a broader push to personalize every aspect of the cabin. Hongqi is blending next-gen battery tech with old-world craftsmanship, showing that luxury can be both advanced and rooted in heritage. The e-Vision isn't just about specs, it's about redefining what a luxury experience should feel, look, and even smell like. This is a bold new player you'll want to watch. The message is clear. The new luxury isn't just about performance, it's about creating a personal sanctuary on wheels. Hongqi is setting a new standard for what's possible. The competition has been put on notice. Enter the Byton M-Byte, a car that feels more like a high-end gadget than a traditional vehicle. Its 48-inch curved OLED dashboard is a showstopper, turning the entire front of the car into a digital playground. Multiple touchscreens and gesture controls make the interface feel more Silicon Valley than Stuttgart. But the real innovation? Byton's commitment to constant connectivity and over-the-air updates. Your car evolves, gaining new features and luxury functions long after you drive it off the lot. Imagine meditation apps, video conferencing, or entertainment upgrades arriving via software. The M-Byte is less about horsepower and more about user experience, digital ecosystems, and seamless connectivity. For a new generation of luxury buyers, pixels matter as much as leather. This is the rolling digital lounge, luxury reimagined for the always-online era. The question, what do you really want from a luxury car in a connected world? Polestar's Embla is the epitome of Nordic minimalism, clean lines, no excess, just pure design. Inside, it's all about sustainable luxury, recycled plastics, reclaimed fishing nets, and cork, crafted to feel premium. This is luxury with a conscience. Eco-friendly materials as the new status symbol. The Embla's 800-volt architecture means ultra-fast charging, a full recharge in about 12 minutes. It's a game-changer for EV practicality. Polestar proves you don't have to choose between sustainability, speed, and style. The Embla is quiet, confident, and smart, a modern luxury EV for those who value simplicity and peace of mind. It's not about shouting wealth, it's about intelligent, responsible design. For many, that's the ultimate luxury. The future is green, fast, and beautifully understated. Polestar is leading the way. What about the legends? Aston Martin's Vulcan e-Hybrid is their answer, a bridge between roaring V8 heritage and electric innovation. It pairs a 4-liter V8 with a 70 kWh battery and electric motors for instant torque and supercar acceleration. You get the visceral sound and soul of a classic Aston, plus silent, all-electric cruising for city drives. Inside, it's hand-stitched leather and exotic materials, but with a modern twist, like an illuminated carbon fiber lattice glowing through the cabin. The Vulcan e-Hybrid is a masterclass in blending old and new combustion and electric, raw power and refined tech. It's for those who crave the thrill of a V8 but want to embrace the electric future. Aston Martin isn't abandoning its identity, it's evolving it. This hybrid is a compelling, loud and luxurious proposition for the next era. The message, you can have tradition and innovation in one breathtaking package. The Vulcan e-Hybrid is proof that legacy brands can electrify without losing their soul. The future of performance is hybrid, and it's spectacular. Aston Martin is ready for the new age. Bentley's 2026 Bentayga Hybrid is all about serene, uncompromising comfort. A refined V6 and a larger battery deliver impressive all-electric range for daily drives, with effortless power for long journeys. The real headline, the new Mulliner Executive Lounge, focused on rear passengers. Think reclining seats, a detachable tablet to control everything from massage to lighting, and a first-class suite feel. Bentley is doubling down on the passenger experience, recognizing that luxury is often about being chauffeured, not driving. The Bentayga Hybrid is the electrified limousine for the modern era. It's about seamless silent propulsion and ultimate control over your environment. For those who want to cross continents in style and silence, this is the new benchmark. Bentley proves that electrification can elevate comfort to new heights. The future of luxury travel is here, and it's whisper quiet. Li Auto's L9 SUV is a masterclass in smart, hyper-personalized luxury. Facial recognition means the car instantly adapts to your preferences. Seat, climate, lighting, even scent. Each driver and passenger gets their own profile, climate zone, and entertainment options. The L9 is a true family luxury SUV, making every ride comfortable and effortless for everyone. With a substantial battery and a gasoline generator, it offers pure electric range for daily needs and flexibility for longer trips. The focus isn't on exotic materials but on the luxury of convenience and predictive technology. The L9 redefines what it means for a car to know you. This is the future, a vehicle that anticipates your needs and adapts in real time. For Li Auto, luxury is about intelligence, not just opulence. The smart cabin is here, and it's deeply personal. From the US, the Rogers R1 is a wild leap into sci-fi territory. Its headline feature, a holographic concierge, a 3D interactive avatar projected into the cabin. This isn't just voice control, it's a visual assistant you can talk to, gesture with, and get real-time info from. Need a restaurant? Directions? A joke? The concierge responds with animated expressions and floating maps. The R1 also boasts an adaptive sound system, creating personalized sound zones and actively canceling noise for a serene ride. Or, if you want, it can pump in synthetic engine sounds for a sportier feel. Rogers is betting that the future of luxury is magical, intuitive tech. Whether the holographic concierge is a revolution or a gimmick, the ambition is undeniable. The R1 is a bold vision of what's next for in-car experience. The future of luxury might just be holographic. Lotus, famous for lightweight performance, is bringing its ethos to the electric era with the e-racing model. The breakthrough carbon-neutral aluminum, produced with renewable energy, forms the car's chassis and body. This isn't just about zero emissions, it's about cleaning up the entire manufacturing process. Lightweight construction means thrilling performance and improved efficiency. The e-racing proves you can have supercar speed and true sustainability. Lotus is setting a new standard for eco-luxury in the high-performance world. It's a car you can feel good about driving, fast. The future of the supercar is green, light, and exhilarating. Lotus is leading the charge.